Today's tech tip from Miss Kathy is how to create a reminder note in Google Keep. So step number 1, begin in your Chrome browser. Find the waffle or the Google apps, locate the Keep app, select it, and then from inside the app, you're going to choose a plain note or reminder. Here, you begin to type your note. Once you have a title and the content of your note, you can make choices. Options are at the bottom. They are reminders, collaborators, colors, image, archive, options, undo and redo, and close. I choose the reminder. From here, I pick the date and time and repeat if desired. You will have more options, and then select repeat. This option allows for more specific details. Verify the details, then click save, and here I select the color. The color of the post I choose from the palette. Now the note can be found in Keep. If you like, there's further options to use the pin feature to bookmark specific notes for quick retrieval. And you can also add labels to organize your notes. Thank you for your attention. Until next time, have a great week.